Okay guys, made in Melbourne, T5 Ripshifts. Just going through a changeover. It's a finished product, fresh off, ready to go anodizing. That's our first step with a billet block changeover. Second operation, as you can see, is done. This one will go over to here. Close the machine up. First operation is the milling path. So square up the top face. We'll do a tool change. Second operation will be a coming in to do a hole and a pecking operation. And that bashes through the aluminium pretty quickly. So billet 6061 pieces. All precision cut, and as you can see there, the material. Pull another one out. So yep, 6061, and we've got a few to chomp through. Another pallet there, and we've got another pallet up there. So manufacturing live and well in Melbourne, Australia. Here we go.